Hello everybody, welcome back, and in this video we'll be checking out Southwest Florida's top 5 best startup sounds. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. I hope you guys all enjoy. Alrighty guys, here is our first car. It is an Aston Martin. Pretty cool. As you can see right here, 2011. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name of this car here, but here it is. It's a limited. But this car actually has such a nice sounding startup. It's actually the best startup sound, I think, is in game personally. But yeah, let's hear the startup. So yeah. Alrighty, as you guys heard there, this car sounds amazing. I love the way the startup is on this car. It sounds crazy, super nice. Honestly, I think this is top of the list. Pretty cool. I think this is honestly the best sounding startup in game. So yeah, let's move on to our next car. Alrighty, here's our second car. It is the BMW M3 GTS 2013. This car is a limited also. Pretty cool car though, and this car actually sounds amazing. So yeah, let's hear the startup on the car. Alrighty, as you guys heard there, this car sounds amazing. Pretty cool startup sound, really nice. Honestly, a really nice startup sound. So yeah, let's move on to our third vehicle. Alrighty guys, here is our third car here. This car here is the Porsche 911R. This car has been limited. This car is actually limited. It has been limited for a while now. It came out quite a while. This car came with the Easter update or something. I got it by finding all the eggs in the Easter update, and then you get awarded this car, and this car actually has a really nice startup sound. So yeah, let's hear the startup. Alright, as you guys heard there, this car actually sounds pretty nice. I really love the sound of this car. It's actually pretty loud, the exhaust, and the startup is really nice too. So yeah, pretty nice car. Unfortunately, currently you can't get the car right now. This car came with the Easter update. I think it also came with the code, but not too sure. Pretty cool car though. But yeah, let's move on to our fourth car. Alrighty guys, here's our fourth car. This car is the Corvette Z06. This car has a amazing startup sound. And this car also looks really nice. So yeah, let's actually hear the startup of this car. So yeah. Alrighty guys, this car, amazing startup sound, and also the idle sound is also really loud. Overall, I just really like this car. This car is not limited, so you could get this car right now if you wanted to. But yeah, really cool car, nice startup sound and everything. Just love the way this car sounds and performs. But yeah, pretty good startup sound. Let's move on to our fifth and last vehicle. Alrighty guys, here's our fifth and last vehicle. This is the BMW M4. This car is also not limited, so you can get this car right now if you wanted to. And this car, I really like the startup. It sounds pretty cool. So yeah, let's hear the startup of the BMW M4. Is it for today. This was a pretty short video, but I hope you guys all enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think of the startup of these cars. I personally really like the Aston Martin startup. That sounded amazing. Pretty cool though. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.